Warm greetings to one and all. I am delighted to be a part of this conference. Before I go into the topic, I would like to share a quotation that has inspired me to take the concept. The earth is what we all have in common. We are all sharing this place. We are all breathing the same air, drinking the same water, walking on the same land, and using the same resources. It is our responsibility to protect them and ensure their survival in the future. Title of my work is Concept of Sustainable Development in Business Education. I am Sai Manogna from VIT Business School, India. Firstly, I would like to explain the main concepts from my work. Sustainable Development Goals. In September 2015, all 193 member states of United Nations adopted an inclusive plan for achieving a better future for all, laying out a path over the next 15 years to end extreme poverty, fight inequality and injustice, and protect the environment. At the heart of 2030 agenda are the Sustainable Development Goals. PRME, Principles for Responsible Management Education, is a United Nations backed program that began in 2007. PRME's mission is to build a global movement for responsible management education and to be a thought leader in the field. PRME's purpose is to enhance sustainable development by transforming management education and developing tomorrow's responsible decision makers. PRME works closely with United Nations Global Compact to have management schools and business collaborate on common aspirations and create collective impact. Literature review. The purpose of this literature study is to determine the relevance of sustainable development concerns in management education as well as to examine the main events that have contributed to the exponential expansion of sustainable development phenomena in recent decades. The study will also look into the factors that influence how the idea of sustainable development is integrated into management education. The review is carried out using keywords like sustainable development, sustainability, management education, history of management, education in India, education for sustainable development, responsible management education, management education for sustainable development, and so on. Some concepts from the literature review are presenting here. Importance of business schools for sustainable development goals. The global goals represent the greatest social, economic, and environmental challenges facing current and future leaders and managers in all sectors, particularly in business. More and more business and non governmental organizations and policymakers are using SDG as a framework to guide and shape strategies and business policy. Business schools have the potential to shine a critical lens on both practice and policy for implementing SDGs, applying a theory in new ways to the wide problems underpinning the SDGs. How SDGs are important to business schools. Strengthen and enable current and future business practitioners, thereby adding value to the modern business and society. Give current and future business leaders the tools to recognize and maximize opportunities for sustainable development. Create a paradigm shift for teaching, learning, and understanding sustainability as core to the business model. Increasing demand for business and policymakers to educate and graduate sustainability literate students. Covers all dimensions of sustainable development as implemented on an interdisciplinary scale. Integrated through all levels of business school and through strategic engagement with students. Systematic process. Integrating the SDG into business school can be thought of as a strategic journey that evolves over time and through different stages. The SDG is more likely to become a part of institutions overall strategies through a systematic approach to SDG integration that engages faculty and staff in many roles, for example, the dean, senior management, departmental head, programming leaders, module leaders, accreditation administrators. A four-stage model, the PRME SDG Compass in figure, is proposed to guide a systematic approach to SDG integration. The PRME SDG Compass is inspired by the SDG Compass developed by the United Nations Global Compact, the Global Reporting Initiative, and World Business Council for Sustainable Development. Most business and management schools, according to evidence, have concentrated on step 1 and 2 of PRME SDG Compass to date. They are only getting started on the more strategic responsibilities of defining verifiable targets to broaden and deepen SDG integration, as well as assessing and communicating impact. Research gap. I found a gap from the literature review, that is, the process, importance, and outcomes of integrating sustainable development concepts in management education have been studied. However, no or only few research studies have looked into influencing factors of sustainable development courses in the curriculum. The main purpose of this paper is to examine factors that influence the inclusion of the concept of sustainable development in business education, which is interest in and knowledge of sustainable development, educator resources, pedagogical expressions, and external and internal environments. This paper will use a survey method to find the factors influencing the sustainable development integration in business education. A questionnaire will be used to collect the information from business educators and higher authorities. Management institutions will be chosen using judgmental sampling, while business educators will select using convenience sampling. These are the references using for study. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity.